So the last time we saw the Galaxy Tab S6, we did a quick video, showed some of the gaming performance. You guys were like, whoa, iPad killer. Let's see how this performs truly in gaming. Let's find out. The Tab S6 is a lovely device, 10.5 inches, beautiful display. It's also got an S Pen and it's got a magnetic dock at the back to actually house it. Now I got this from Samsung and they also sent me the keyboard case, which is really nice, and it adds a lot to it because of course you've got decks built into it and all that fun stuff. Now in terms of performance, we're looking at a Snapdragon 855, which is nice. First time a Samsung tablet has gone with a premium processor, and this looks like the tablet to beat in the Android space. Up to 256 gigabytes of storage, 1 terabyte expandable via micro SD. You've got a 7040 watt milliamp battery, so big battery to last those gaming sessions quite well. Quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos, so this thing is loud, and we'll hear the speakers when we're doing some of that gaming here. Now, as I mentioned, we're going to be doing some gaming, and I'll be using the SteelSeries Stratus dual controller. So if you want to pick that up, that's a really nice controller to use, especially on the tablet. Gaming just tapping on the tablet itself, especially if you're doing something really intensive, not the best appeal. But we'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at temperatures, and we'll also figure out how good it actually sounds in terms of just listening to audio. So let's take a look at PUBG, Fortnite, which I'm terrible at, some Madden, which I also was kind of bad at, and some Asphalt 9.
Let's go.
Slow, it's what we know. Coming home, I just wanna be real with somebody.
So gaming performance on the Tab S6 is just really solid. All the games played really well, no slowdowns at all, and the tablet did not run hot. It ran rather cool. So looking at temperatures on the system, we're looking at about 88 degrees or about Fahrenheit, or about 30 degrees Celsius, which is really cool for gaming for quite a while on a device like this powered by the Snapdragon 855 processor. Now when it comes to audio, you could hear the sounds while gaming. It was rich, it was loud. The quad speakers, Dolby Atmos, really did a good job. But also just playing that song and getting just a quick sample, you could hear how clear and crisp vocals came out as well. So that's also a good thing. Now, not to forget though, we actually did some PC gaming, or at least some PC game streaming directly to the Tab S6. Let's take a look.
Hunt the enemy. Stay wary. Pick your shots.
So when I said PC gaming, I meant streaming PC games. And this time I used the NVIDIA GeForce Now Beta app, and I was able to stream from NVIDIA servers directly to my device, playing Call of Duty World War II. It looks really good. Nice, vibrant. You can also use the Steam Link app as well, but you can see how versatile it is to take something like this with you on the road. In terms of the other functionalities you find with this, the keyboard itself is nice, good functionality. It's a really trim and tight keyboard, but it was good for typing. The S Pen is great, and you've got a lot of features with the S Pen as you would expect, and navigating around the screen is pretty nice. Now, for those of you who want to do some more comprehensive work, you can do that with DeX, but let's not forget, you can still do some gaming on there too. Your Android games will work and run well on DeX, and that is pretty nice for me as well. I think overall, you are going to be quite impressed with this tablet. It offers so much in terms of performance, in terms of audio quality from the speakers. You could hear how well it sounded, and in terms of just having an Android tablet that is good. That's something we haven't had in a while, and doesn't break the bank for you. I think the Galaxy Tab S6 definitely is worth picking up. If you don't want to pick it up on an iPad, if you want something that's tied into the Android ecosystem and some synergy with your Galaxy device, which you can actually get your phone calls and text messages on here, definitely worth it, and I think it's a solid buy. So if you have any questions or any comments about gaming on this bad boy, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy entertainment.